Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring you have an administrator account and a stable internet connection. This prevents interruptions during driver install. Next, open Device Manager quickly. Press Windows plus X and select Device Manager from the menu. Once it's open, expand Sound, Video, and Game controllers and identify the audio device name. If you see multiple entries, pick the one that matches your hardware or the one listing Realtek, Intel, or your sound card brand before moving to Update. Right-click the selected audio device and choose Update Driver to begin. This lets Windows search online for a compatible driver. Select Search automatically for drivers, so Windows will compare versions and fetch the manufacturer-signed package if available. If Windows reports a newer driver installed, go ahead and restart your PC to complete the replacement. If no driver is found, make a note of the device name and version shown, and proceed to download the vendor driver manually from the manufacturer's support site. If automatic update fails, download the official driver that matches your device model and Windows version from the manufacturer's support page. Save the file in Downloads. Run the installer as administrator, or, if it's in File, use Update Driver, browse My Computer, and point to the folder. Once installed, reboot to finalize. If audio breaks, open Device Manager, choose Properties Driver, and use Rollback Driver or run Windows Audio Troubleshooter to detect and fix configuration conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.